another. I blush like those short nails or whatever, or super long nails. I don't do them. But I just love. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Noelle, and this is Intuitively Me. Today's video is sponsored by my new sponsors with this new collab and our new partnership with Jofay Fashion. They are a press-on nail company, and I was just gifted 4 press-on nails, and I'm going to apply them today on this video. First and foremost, like, I am super excited to be doing this video for you guys. I'm super excited to have my first video sponsored and by something that I completely love. I love putting on my own press-on nails. I love doing my own DIY projects. It's something that I love to do. I love to save money and I love to look cute doing it. You feel me? Yes. And as always, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and like the video now because you already picked it. You know you like nails. And if you're already true here, already subscribed, go ahead and just like that video, okay? Yes. Also, I got a new tripod and everything to do this video because I ain't playing with y'all, okay? So before we get started, I'm going to be putting on these nails for you guys. Everything that I need is already inside the box, which I love. It's so cute and compact. Super, super, super cute. It's my favorite color, purple, as always. If you see my last video, you already know what's going on. So everything is in here, all there that you need. I got alcohol because it's not in here. They have alcohol pads, but I have the alcohol to make sure your hands are clean, clean. And a towel so you don't get nothing wet. Hello. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, as always, we're gonna start with clean nails. I also have like instructions on what to do, simple. I think on this video, I'm going to use the glue. There's 24 nails in each one. Instructions, adhesive tabs, little baggie with your nail glue, nail filer, and the cuticle tool, and you got some alcohol wipes, and I got my alcohol right here for that. I'm only gonna need 1 alcohol wipe, so let's go ahead and put that out. I'm gonna be using the glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the adhesive strips back up, and let's go ahead and take out that glue. So cute. They never have glue with the press-on nails, so this is just so cute that they have it all compact and one. And of course, I'm gonna need that file, you feel me? Put it on the pink side because we like the pink. And this is always cuticle, we need that always. Everything we need to get started, let's go. All right, before we start anything, obviously we're gonna go ahead and use the directions that they give us. Step 1 says wash your hands and push back cuticles with the wood cuticle tool. So let's go ahead and do that. And use this one. Make sure they're back all the way. All cuticles pushed back. Now we're gonna go ahead and file for the step 2, buff and shape the nail with the nail file. First up, clean them nails with that alcohol. Okay, so the next step with the glue is to apply the nail glue. But first, I'm going to size these nails to my nails. Let's get into it. One, two, three, four, five. And then I'm gonna get the other one off camera. So let's get, I got all my nails lined up and ready to go. These nails didn't require any filing down to fit my nail. They just like perfectly went on there. So let's go ahead and get started. First last step states, press and hold the press on nail of your nail bed for 30 seconds and apply towards all 9 other nails, all 10 nails. All right, y'all, let's get the nails put on. Last steppity step, got that glue. Put it on that nail, put enough. Set the glue down. Place that baby on top and hold. Okay, y'all count for me. Meow, meow, 30 seconds later. Just continue to do that with all nails. For this, new opportunity with this sponsor of their own literally company of press-on nails, like, and they're just so good quality, higher quality. They're not, super expensive either. They're very affordable, and I'm just happy that I was in their, view, when they decide to work with moi. Y'all, only got 4 nails on. I'm already feeling like that girl. I mean, I've been that girl, but I'm that girl. Last nail. Did a little more because, you know, the thumbs be thumbing. I don't know, their nails are just like super good. Like, I know the ones at Dollar Tree are like hella cheap or whatever, but you know, those are for the people that really can't afford, you know, the nail shop and tipping and waiting hours and hours. This literally takes me like under 10 minutes and you can go. Now, the preparation, I don't know how to do it so they can last, so you can, you know, get through your day without popping them off, is what I'm saying. It can happen. You need to make sure, like, you push your cuticles back, filed your nails, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Period. Y'all, I just had to get on here real quick to show you the left hand that I just did. Like, ooh la la, ooh la la. Y'all, I don't even have like a can to use it, but like, this is just the first hand. Like, can y'all just get into it real quick? Get into it. I'm gonna let y'all get into it. I usually do like the short, but oval, these not really that long. You know what I'm saying? It's not really that long. I don't really do nothing that requires me to have like those short nails or whatever, or super long nails. I don't do them. But I just love. All right, let's go ahead and get the other nail done. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, y'all. I have pressed on all the nails for you. A little ASMR for you. But look at them, cute, cute. I love them, I love them, I love them. Everything that I have today and everything Jofay Fashion Nails will be in my description box where you can get them. There's also a 40% discount for a promotion that they have on their website. They are on Amazon and they're literally like $8 to $10 nails. Like, they have some $5 ones. They have literally like so many designs, so many choices, so many different shapes and sizes. Everything Jofay Fashion will definitely be listed in my description box below. Get you some, tell them I sent you, and like this video up if you like my nails, because I do, period. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in on yet another video. This one was a special video for me. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for always liking and viewing and subscribing to my beautiful channel. And